Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom schedules for Lenovo E2 Pro. To do this, first you'll need to click on your robot inside the app, then scroll down and select the schedule. Right here we can click on Add, then we can set a different hour when the program should begin, switch when it repeats, so we can pick any day of a week, like a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. You can select multiple days if you like, even whole a week. Then we can go back and set a note. So, for example, hard, clean, save. So now we have a note for this schedule. We can also activate notification that we'll get on our phone when it begins, and we can switch between cleaning switch on or stop. So in this case we want to start a schedule on that specific hour, so we're gonna go with on, save it, then add another schedule, and if you want to finish the schedule, then go for example 2 hours, 6:52, and then we can change the cleaning switch to stop, and again it will do it once, save. So now it on the first one that we've created, it should begin cleaning on 4:51 and then stop cleaning on 6:52, and that's how you create those schedules. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.